Too many sous vide machines look interchangeable. Start with the Monoprice Strata for simple onboard control. Switch to the Joule Turbo for compact, app-guided speed. Choose by controls, heating speed, storage, and finishing. For most home cooks, buy the Monoprice Strata Home Sous Vide Immersion Cooker 800W. Its onboard controls handle temperature and timing without making your phone part of dinner. It also works across common pots and tubs, while keeping the initial cost below app-focused alternatives. The catch is a larger body, slower heating, and possible temperature calibration. Skip it if you need remote control, shallow cookware compatibility, or compact drawer storage. For frequent cooking with limited storage, choose the Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide. Its compact body, 1100W heating, low water operation, and guided turbo recipes make the premium worthwhile for app-comfortable cooks. It also fits shorter pots and shallow cookware. But every temperature and timer adjustment runs through Breville Plus. Turbo mode only works with supported recipes, and future usefulness depends on software support. Skip it if you want physical controls or basic circulator pricing. For a small kitchen finish, add the Bernzomatic DuraCast 8000 torch. It's compact and adjustable, giving steaks, vegetables, cheese, or desserts some browning without a grill or large pan. It suits tight storage especially well. A thick steak takes longer to finish, and you'll need separate fuel cylinders. You also won't get pan drippings or charcoal character. The Lodge Chef Collection 12-inch Cast Iron Skillet gives sous vide proteins a bold pan-seared exterior. Its wide cooking area also leaves room for a quick sauce. It's heavier than lighter pans, needs regular care, and high heat can create plenty of indoor smoke. The Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill 22 adds grill marks and charcoal flavor after sous vide cooks the center. It's a natural companion for outdoor charcoal fans. Lighting and managing coals takes longer than a skillet, plus you'll need outdoor room and fuel storage. Quick split. Choose the Strata for simple value or Joule Turbo for compact, app-led cooking. Finish with the torch for storage, the skillet for crust, or the grill for charcoal character. Before buying, check pot depth, available storage, outlet access, phone dependence, and where you'll handle smoke, fuel, or cast iron care. Start with the Strata if you want straightforward sous vide without app dependence. Switch to Joule Turbo for compact storage and guided speed. Then add the finishing tool your space supports. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.